Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Ladyv. And now Ladyv is talking about the gentleman that came, that Luciferian, that was speaking about the kids that he wanted to kidnap and let them worship Lucifer, And so she's talking about her being a prayer warrior, her and her family and other people. And it's a good thing that he was caught. So please watch the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and remember to comment.
That man isn't all crazy. He is in his full cognitive mind. He's evil. Ladyv, do you like mine? I did. So the point is, let's just say that man. And I've been telling you guys that there's some demonic influence that is going on. A lot of it. Some of us may not want to see it because it's hard to face certain truth, but there's the demonic influence all around. Alright? The people them let him reach station. Him never did for reach down the man. Worse, he need to be put away. Mad people don't do video. Him never did for reach down a station. That's what me beck. So where you do down a station? You don't go take with pitney. You don't go take with woman. And you say a sacrifice time, and we know the name that will go back home. So what you are doing on a station? One day the police could have let him out, making him use the bathroom. One day they could have left him door up, making him think them asleep and him go outside. No, I'm just a say. Yes, I'm saying that too. But I'm so grateful to God tonight that you're not out there to hurt any mother's baby or any baby's mother. I'm so grateful to God that you and the devil did not win. You didn't get the chance to inflict pain. You didn't cause any of us sleepless nights, not unless you did before. I'm so grateful to God that he never allowed you. Last night when somebody said to me, they say, I know you're a prayer warrior, Ladyv. Ladyv, I know your sister is a mighty woman of God. I know you and your prayer team, when they pray, heaven move. I remember when your sister prayed for the missing child in Bath, St. Thomas, and the exact thing your sister said in her prayer, the timing your sister gave, was the exact thing that happened. Yes, Robert Scadia. And the person said, Ladyv, we pray. We pray and God deliver. I told God, let him touch none. Not even one. Not even one mother should have to shed a tear because of him. I told God last night, cramp, paralyze and dismantle every works of the devil, every demonic interference that is working through him. Null and void. Lady that we were on the phone praying, she called me just about 25 minutes. She said, Ladyv, you know they got him. I said, I wasn't looking on the news. I knew he would have been had. She said, Ladyv, you know what? I prayed last night, and the faith I exercise is not faith that I used to exercise. But I just knew when we pray and we finish, he wasn't gonna be out there. Yeah. So some of us, not that we were the only ones who pray. Nothing wrong with his head, something wrong with his heart. Some of us did pray. And I hope more of us will pray for things like these. God answer prayers, even sinners. People are going to tell us that God not answer sinner prayer. Everyone of us is a sinner, so God answer sinners prayer. So always know that you have the option of offering a word. And let me tell you, when you pray from the heart, a broken and contrite heart, God will never despise those words. Pray, okay? God do hear, and he's speedy. Nowadays, God not slow. God I come through before the prayer done. In the midst of your prayer, God coming through. You know, there was a time when people used to say God slow, but him sure. God not slow. And a slow time now. A rush hour now. When you pray to God, you have to make God know it's a 911. May I carry come here for you tonight, Father. Father, here I am with a 911. It's an emergency. This is a rush hour. I'm happy. You can't do that in Mandeville. So I'm happy tonight that he's away from people's children. I may tell you now. Well, what any what JCF? Me tell you now, Jamaica police, you know, go come tell we no foolishness say man escape, you know. You know, so now come tell we nothing. So only that can't go bathroom or not can't go court and he escape. You know, now go come tell we nothing, you know. When the bigger powers them that he must serve under, when in cult leader come and say for go no 1 million and 250,000 and 500,000, 250,000, 500,000, 1 million. Who no now go let him out and tell me saying get where you know. Cause we not go take the talk there. Because the next time we not go see him. Cause he not go pass back. Cause me wouldn't mind taking 2 kick out of that. Boy, yeah, go for girls and women. Excuse me? The strongest. The strength. Women and girls. Tell where your chest high. The only woman where you're supposed to go for is the woman that carry you. That shouldn't bring you here. And should have bring you back. But you want to come inflict pain. Huh? Women, sometimes you see some children out there, don't you think their mother should have get one of this stuff? Them never did make it, ain't it? Some of these people who have amongst us in society, you know, so their mother and their father make a mistake that night and should have gone to church or go play domino and never do that look do something there. Because them never did for come here. Because what they do when they come here, they become a nuisance to society. They plague us night and day. They make our lives live in hell. They inflict so much pain, so much sorrow, so much wound, so much scars. You know, when a baby them born, all of them little and cute, and you have the little cutie them in your hand with little tiny fingers and the tiny toes. You're kissing the toes, you're kissing the finger, the butt cheeks, and so smooth, and you swear to God. You carry them at church and pastor, bless them and say all kind of something over them. You swear to God you don't have a meaningful member of society. Then you end up with a menace to society. You know, sometimes when them children are growing up, you can look at them and see that they're not going to be anything useful. People, have you ever been places and you see some little boys and you just know this is a non-starter from jump? The way the little boy look, the way the little boy talk. I miss Rumble this. The way the little boy look, the way the little boy talk, the mannerism, you can tell him just need to grow up so he can go in a penitentiary. You ever see some little boys go in school and you wonder why the mother even bothered to send them to school? Might as well you just see if you can get them a trade or see if they will take them in at the place, in at the pen early. Sometime, you know, you can tell the fruit very early. Go inflict pain upon him, Mama Marlily.